China's ascension to global prominence represents one of the most significant geopolitical shifts of the 21st century. Historically, China was a dominant power in East Asia, with a rich cultural heritage and advanced civilization. However, the 19th and early 20th centuries saw China weakened by internal strife and foreign domination. The establishment of the People's Republic of China in 1949 marked the beginning of a new era, but it was the economic reforms initiated by Deng Xiaoping in 1978 that set China on a path to rapid economic growth and modernization. Today, China's rise encompasses not just economic power, but also political influence, military strength, and cultural presence. Understanding the full spectrum of China's rise and its implications is crucial for policymakers, businesses, and scholars worldwide. China's history is marked by cycles of unification and fragmentation, periods of prosperity and times of turmoil. The imperial era, characterized by dynasties such as the Tang, Song, Ming, and Qing, saw China as a major global power. The 19th century, however, brought the Opium Wars, foreign invasions, and internal rebellions, leading to the decline of the Qing dynasty. The early 20th century was a period of fragmentation and civil war, culminating in the establishment of the People's Republic of China under the Communist Party in 1949. Mao Zedong's era was marked by radical policies like the Great Leap Forward and the Cultural Revolution, which had devastating effects on the economy and society. The turning point came with Deng Xiaoping's economic reforms in 1978. These reforms included decollectivization of agriculture, opening up to foreign investment, and the establishment of special economic zones. This marked the beginning of China's rapid economic growth and integration into the global economy. China's economic transformation is often described as one of the most remarkable in history. Since 1978, China's GDP has grown at an average annual rate of about 9.5%, lifting hundreds of millions of people out of poverty. Several key factors contributed to this growth. 1. Economic reforms and openness. Deng Xiaoping's policies dismantled the centrally planned economy, introduced market principles, and opened China to foreign investment. The establishment of special economic zones like Shenzhen attracted massive foreign direct investment and became engines of growth. 2. Manufacturing powerhouse. China became the world's manufacturing hub, benefiting from a large, low-cost labor force and economies of scale. This enabled China to dominate global exports, particularly in electronics, textiles, and machinery. 3. Infrastructure development. Massive investments in infrastructure, including highways, railways, ports, and airports, facilitated economic activities and connectivity. Projects like the Three Gorges Dam and high-speed rail networks showcased China's infrastructural ambitions. 4. Belt and Road Initiative. Launched in 2013, the Belt and Road Initiative aims to enhance global trade and stimulate economic growth across Asia and beyond by developing trade routes reminiscent of the ancient Silk Road. It involves infrastructure investments in nearly 70 countries, enhancing China's economic and strategic influence. 5. Technological advancements. China has made significant strides in technology and innovation. Companies like Huawei, Tencent, and Alibaba are global leaders in telecommunications, e-commerce, and technology. China's focus on research and development and its ambitious policies like Made in China 2025 aim to transform China into a global technology leader. China's global rise is not limited to economic might. It has also significantly expanded its political and diplomatic influence. Key aspects include: 1. Participation in international organizations. China is an active member of numerous international organizations, including the United Nations, World Trade Organization, G20, and others. China uses its position in these organizations to influence global governance, and advocate for developing countries. 2. Bilateral relations with major powers. China's relationship with the United States is complex, characterized by both cooperation and competition. While trade and investment linkages are significant, issues like intellectual property, human rights, and regional security create tensions. China's relations with the European Union involve deep economic ties, but also concerns over market access and strategic autonomy. With Russia, China shares a strategic partnership, focusing on energy, military cooperation, and counterbalancing US influence. 3. Developing country engagements. China has cultivated strong relationships with developing countries, especially in Africa and Latin America. Through investments, loans, and infrastructure projects, China has become a crucial partner for many developing nations. This engagement is part of China's broader strategy to expand its influence and secure resources. 4. Soft power. China has invested in soft power initiatives, promoting Chinese culture, language, and values through Confucius Institutes, cultural exchanges, and media. While effective in some regions, China's soft power efforts are often met with skepticism due to political and human rights issues. Military expansion. China's military modernization has transformed the People's Liberation Army, or PLA, into a formidable force. Key developments include: first, China has undertaken comprehensive military reforms, focusing on enhancing capabilities in areas like cyber warfare, space, and missile technology. The PLA's restructuring aims to improve efficiency and combat readiness. Second, China's territorial claims and activities in the South China Sea have led to tensions with neighboring countries and the United States. China has built artificial islands and military installations, asserting its presence and challenging regional security dynamics. Third, China's defense budget has grown significantly, second only to the United States. Investments are directed towards modernizing equipment, developing advanced technologies, and expanding naval capabilities. Finally, China's participation in UN peacekeeping missions and anti-piracy operations showcases its growing role in global security. China also seeks to establish military bases and logistical hubs abroad, enhancing its strategic reach. Technological advancement. China's rise as a technological powerhouse is a critical component of its global influence. Key aspects include: first, China's government prioritizes innovation with significant investments in research and development. Policies like Made in China 2025 aim to advance key industries such as robotics, aerospace, and biotechnology. Second, companies like Huawei, Tencent, and Alibaba are leaders in telecommunications, internet services, and e-commerce. These companies not only dominate the domestic market, but also compete globally, particularly in emerging markets. Third, China is a global leader in 5G technology, with Huawei at the forefront of this revolution. China's advancements in artificial intelligence are also notable, with significant applications in surveillance, healthcare, and consumer products. Government support and a large pool of data give China a competitive edge in AI development. Fourth, China's space program has made remarkable strides, with achievements like the Chang'e lunar missions, the Tianwen-1 Mars mission, and the construction of the Tiangong space station. These accomplishments not only showcase China's technological prowess, but also symbolize its aspirations for global leadership in space. Finally, China's approach to cybersecurity is multifaceted, involving both defense and offense. The country has been accused of state-sponsored hacking and cyber espionage, leading to tensions with other nations. At the same time, China advocates for the concept of cyber sovereignty, seeking to influence global internet governance. Cultural influence. China's efforts to enhance its cultural influence globally include a variety of strategies aimed at promoting its language, culture, and values. First, These institutions, established worldwide, aim to promote Chinese language and culture through educational programs. While successful in many areas, they have faced criticism and closures in some countries over concerns of political influence. Second, Chinese media companies are expanding their presence globally. Films, TV shows, and music from China are gaining international audiences. Co-productions and partnerships with Hollywood studios help increase China's cultural footprint. Third, hosting major international sports events like the 2008 Beijing Olympics and the upcoming Winter Olympics serves as a platform for showcasing Chinese culture and organizational capabilities. Additionally, Chinese athletes and sports teams are becoming more prominent on the global stage. Fourth, China promotes inbound and outbound tourism to enhance cultural exchange. Scholarships and exchange programs attract international students and scholars to Chinese universities, fostering mutual understanding and influence. Finally, while China's cultural diplomacy efforts aim to project a positive image, they are often viewed with suspicion, especially in the context of political and human rights issues. The balance between genuine cultural exchange and perceived propaganda remains a contentious issue. Environmental impact. China's rapid industrialization has led to significant environmental challenges, but the country is also taking steps to address these issues and play a leading role in global environmental governance. Pollution and environmental degradation. China faces severe air, water, and soil pollution due to decades of unregulated industrial growth. Urban smog, contaminated rivers, and hazardous waste are major public health concerns. Climate change initiatives. As the world's largest emitter of greenhouse gases, China's role in global climate change mitigation is crucial. The country has committed to achieving carbon neutrality by 2060 and has made significant investments in renewable energy sources like solar and wind power. Renewable energy leadership. China is the largest producer and installer of solar panels and wind turbines. Government policies and subsidies have spurred the growth of renewable energy industries, positioning China as a global leader in clean energy technologies. Sustainability efforts. Initiatives like the Green Belt and Road aim to ensure that China's overseas investments adhere to environmental standards. Domestically, policies promoting electric vehicles, afforestation, and sustainable urban development are being implemented. Global environmental diplomacy. China actively participates in international climate negotiations and environmental agreements. It aims to present itself as a responsible global power committed to sustainable development. Economic challenges and criticisms. Despite its remarkable growth, China faces several economic challenges and criticisms that could impact its future trajectory. Income inequality. Rapid economic growth has led to significant income disparities between urban and rural areas, coastal and inland regions, and different social groups. Addressing these inequalities is essential for maintaining social stability. Aging population. China's demographic shift, characterized by an aging population and declining birth rates, poses challenges for economic growth and social welfare systems. The recent relaxation of the one-child policy aims to address these issues. Debt and financial risks. High levels of corporate and local government debt raise concerns about financial stability. Efforts to deleverage the economy and regulate the shadow banking sector are ongoing, but pose risks to growth. Trade practices and intellectual property. China's trade practices, including alleged intellectual property theft and market access restrictions, have led to tensions with trading partners, especially the United States. The US-China trade war highlighted these issues and resulted in tariffs and trade barriers. US-China trade war. The trade war between the United States and China has had significant implications for both economies and global trade. Issues such as tariffs, supply chain disruptions, and technological decoupling have created uncertainties and necessitated strategic adjustments. Future predictions. The future of China's global role is a topic of great interest and debate. Several scenarios and trends could shape China's trajectory in the coming decades. Economic leadership. If China continues its economic growth and technological advancements, it could surpass the United States as the world's largest economy. This would have profound implications for global economic governance and trade dynamics. Bilateral and multilateral relationships. China's relationships with major powers and developing countries will evolve. Cooperation and competition with the United States, the European Union, Russia, and other emerging economies will shape global geopolitics. Military and strategic influence. China's military capabilities and strategic ambitions will continue to grow. Its actions in regional hotspots like the South China Sea and Taiwan Strait will be closely watched, as will its efforts to establish a global military presence. Technological dominance. China's focus on innovation and technology could lead to dominance in key sectors like AI, 5G, and biotechnology. This would enhance China's economic competitiveness and strategic leverage. Environmental leadership. As China addresses its environmental challenges and pursues sustainable development, it could emerge as a global leader in climate action and green technologies. This would enhance China's soft power and international standing. Domestic stability. Internal factors such as social stability, political governance, and economic reforms will play a crucial role in China's future. The government's ability to manage these challenges will determine the country's long-term trajectory. Conclusion. China's rise as a global power is a multifaceted phenomenon with significant implications for the world. From economic growth and technological advancements to political influence and military expansion, China's impact is profound and far-reaching. As China navigates its future, balancing internal challenges with global ambitions, the world will closely watch its actions and strategies. Understanding the complexities of China's rise is essential for anticipating future trends and preparing for a new era of global dynamics. Whether viewed with optimism or caution, China's ascent will undoubtedly shape the 21st century and beyond.